What's happening, everyone? Welcome back. Interesting matches. Interesting. How? Let's figure out. Let me first get started with Manchester United and our Sunderland. भाई साहब क्या मैच हुआ. Don't look at the result, right? 0-0 match. Don't look at the result. Let's understand little bit context behind it. भाई मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड इज वेरी वेरी लकी दे केम आउट ऑफ विद अ पॉइंट, राइट. जिस हिसाब से सनderland अपने चांसेस मिस करी, जिस हिसाब से उनका नंबर 9 को आई मीन डिजर्विंग फॉल्स नहीं मिले. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट पेनल्टी शॉट्स एंड ऑल, वो तो रेडिकुलस थे. बट he was very handful for United defenders. And today Martinez was playing. Today Harry Maguire was playing. Luke Shaw and Mazraoui was playing. Right? So अच्छे well reputed names. But Sunderland, the city, the Stadium of Light. I mean, definitely any team that goes over there gonna face difficulty. That's exactly what I have seen today. Manchester United, Mason Mount was playing today. Great. Mbeumo, Cunha was fantastic again, and Xerxes को start मिला आज as a number 9. And he okay, hot and cold performance of Xerxes, but yeah, it was a great tie. And again, talking about ties, let's go to my beloved Liverpool and Chelsea. ये बैटल ऑफ काउंटर अटैक्स, फेल्ड काउंटर अटैक्स का था ये लिटरली. आई मीन आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड कि इतना डिसजॉइन अटैक क्यों रह रहा है लिवरपूल का भी और चेल्सी का भी. लेट मी टेल यू राइट अवे, व्हाट अ ब्यूटिफुल गोल बाय ग्राहम बर्ग. बहुत अच्छा था वो. आई मीन ही स्कोर्ड अ प्रॉपर विंगर्स गोल, राइट. हम डोकू के बारे में जब बात करेंगे, जब विल एक्सप्लेन लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट दैट, यू नो, थोड़ा पुश करके कॉर्नर ऑफ द बॉक्स जो गोल मारता है ना, वो इट्स वो सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ गोल, राइट. बहुत प्यारा गोल था उसका ना. समवन, if you are sitting in stands, right, you will jump up from your seat and say what just happened. अच्छा था. That was one clear cut chance that Van Dijk got through Szoboszlai through ball. He couldn't score. I mean खाली बॉल रोक के भी उन्हें पुश भी कर देता था, गोल था. That was that easy. But that's fine. We came out of there with a draw. But भाई साहब घटिया गंदा गोल कंसीड करे. Chelsea didn't produce an outstanding goal. No, 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 no. It was Cowell who came and he was trying to put something on a free kick from Enzo Fernandez. वो कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाया, बॉल सीधा गोल के अंदर चले गया and we conceded. But let me tell you, Kaisoda had a brilliant game. He was giving the throw balls. एंड अरे फ्रिंकबॉन्ग मेरे भाई तेरे तेरे पैर में क्या लगे हुआ है, मेरे को बात समझा. व्हाई आरंट यू एबल टू, आई मीन yes, even Trent had the same profile. He was not 10 on 10 or 8 on 10 defenders. He was more into attacking output by. लेकिन फिर भी फ्रिंकबॉन्ग, you are coming from Javi, पूरा नाम क्या है यार यार उसका, Javi Alonso school, right? School of thought. So you should be someone who are well aware about कि defending कैसी चलती है. But that was that. We came out of a draw. We could have easily won this game. Anfield, everything was in our favor, but disappointing draw. And out of the bench कोई option ही नहीं दिखे मुझे. And after the match, when people took out Rio started today. That's a great thing. Look what he did. What he did. That goal that Grahamberg scored, right? Who provided the assist? It was Rio. Rio को fix कर दो as a left winger. Please don't experiment with him. If you want to give him rest, yes, take it out and then put Cody Gakpo just to, you know, give him a breather. Make Rio a good permanent stay on the left wing. That boy gonna, who knows, he gonna be our left side left winger Salah. Who knows? Time will tell. He's too young for that. But that being said, Arne Slot was booed today, rightly so. कि वो रियो को निकाला, मैच जीतने का मैच हम लोग ड्रॉ करके आ गए, तो डेफिनेटली a manager name will be pulled out a lot. And before we go to Manchester City, let me talk to you about Fulham and Bournemouth. Both of the team got a red card. It was more like a WWF match that was going on. लेकिन चलो अच्छा खेले. Bournemouth came out of from a winning position here, and Bournemouth is a good team, man. मेरे को Bournemouth अच्छी दिखती है मेरे को. They are very resilient, quiet. They know how to do their job properly, and they don't they don't get into people's way. They अपना खामोश अपना काम निकाल के आगे बढ़ जाएंगे ये लोग. मुझे Tavernier बहुत अच्छा दिखता है ब्रेंटफोर्ड का मेरे को, नंबर 16. It's a good player. But let's talk about the match of the day. That was Manchester City who took on who sorry, sorry, I got a little distracted. Manchester City that took out Brentford today. Let me tell you, first half of Manchester City was wasteful. The only thing that was happening throughout the match, is through Doku. डोकू भाग रहा है, कटा रहा है, अंदर जा रहा है, बॉल डाल रहा है, कोई फिनिश नहीं कर पा रहे. फर्स्ट हाफ में अर्लिंग हालैंड had 3 touches. All those 3 touches could have been easily a goal. He was wasteful, and one or two chances were very difficult as well, to be very honest. But जो अर्लिंग हालैंड को टचेस मिले फर्स्ट हाफ में, he could have easily made 3-0 right away first half में. But again, that's what you expect from Pep, right? He went back, Kahneman pull करा, पता नहीं क्या करा अपने players का. Cherki has a disgusting game today. He was not good. And today I loved seeing Ake in defense, because Ake and Ruben Diaz, I think those are my first choice center back, and Guardiola still in the way of recovering and getting back to the team. उन्हें भी खेल सकता है center half and left back. But yeah, good to see him today. And थोड़ा मुझे because of last match effect of Everton, मुझे मार्क गेही थोड़ा nervous दिखा मुझे. He was nervously running. That's how he run. I don't understand, but he was nervous. उसके body language में visible हो रहा था. He was nervous. He was trying to quickly give the pass away. I mean, थोड़ा jittery हो रहा था. I understand what happened last night, but you are a big profile player, bro. Some such thing happens to good players like you. But that's how when you come out of such terrible things and be the champion that you are. क्रिस्टल पैलेस को फर्स्ट ट्रॉफी जिताए यार ये लोग एफए कप की. रिमेंबर बीटिंग सिटी itself last year. But that being said, at 60-minute mark, Doku का bread and butter goal है. He scored 5 goals in Premier League, and he got 6 starts in throughout the Premier League, and he from the last 5 starts he scored 5 goals and 2 assists. And what a goal to score, right? आया उसको चांस, अंदर गया, curled, beautiful. That opened the floodgates, and Bournemouth was trying their level best to come at Chelsea. Brentford was trying their level best to come at City, but City was not allowing them. They were holding back, because City का जो attacking phase है वो simple है कि we gonna attack you. We expected this everything, right? First half में they were 0 touches of Brentford in City's near City's defense. There was 0 touches. But that being said, it was great game. Love to see. I loved seeing Ali Harden score at 75 minutes as well. That was scrappy goal, but who cares? He's the top scorer now. Way ahead in goal scoring charts now, especially when 3 games or 2 games are left for the season. And that being said, now Manchester, I like the substitution what Pep did. He brought Foden, he brought Marmoush in, because Cherki का तो घटिया गेम चल रहा था भाई. I didn't like Cherki today, and he took out Semenyo. देखो, Doku was taking on his man and tried to create. Semenyo नहीं कर रहा था, अंदर जा रहा था, बाहर आके पास देता, अंदर जा रहा थोड़ा, बाहर आ पास दे रहा. Bro, go, you are a third top scorer, go create something. You have a prolific striker like Erling Haaland there, right? Bernardo Silva had a couple of chances, he couldn't take it, but that's fine. End of the day, Marmoush came, scored 90 plus minute. He scored. He made it 3-0. So things gonna be interesting tomorrow. Match of Chelsea of Arsenal gonna dictate a lot of things in Premier League title. मुझे नहीं लगता, loud and clear I'm saying that Arsenal gonna drop point, but if they draw as well, right? अब गोल डिफरेंस भी कवर कर लिए ये लोग 3 गोल मार के, उन्हें हारना या ड्रॉ भी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते. Again, as I told you in last week, my pre-match review as well, either West Ham has to win or either क्या नाम है, Arsenal has to win. Draw and loss is not an option. So let's see how things gonna pan out tomorrow. We're gonna connect again and let's see how things will turn up. And yeah, stay tuned. Thank you guys. Take care.